In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Paste Special feature in Microsoft Word to maximize your document editing capabilities. This is a simple yet powerful tool, enabling greater control over how you incorporate content from other locations into your Word documents. Whether you're lifting text, images, or other elements, this step-by-step guide will help you effectively utilize Paste Special for better, cleaner documents. Let's kick things off with the very basics. Copying the content you need. You might want to incorporate text or images from a web page, a PDF, or another document into your Word file. First, highlight the content you wish to copy. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Once selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or give a quick right-click on your mouse and select Copy. You've now placed your selected material onto the clipboard, simply waiting to be pasted into its new home. The next step is to navigate to your Word document. Open up the document where you intend to place the copied content. Position your cursor exactly where you want the material to reside. This ensures your content lands exactly where it needs to be in your document, reducing the need for further adjustment later on. Now, cast your gaze toward the top of the screen, locating the Home tab within your Word interface. Upon clicking the Home tab, focus your attention on the clipboard group near the left side. You'll notice a little arrow sitting below the Paste option. Go ahead and click this arrow. This action opens a drop-down menu revealing the secret weapon of today's tutorial: Paste Special. Clicking on Paste Special brings up a dialog box that offers you more options on how you can paste the content. Here, you're presented with two main choices: Paste or Paste Link. Selecting Paste will insert the content as it is, while Paste Link creates a dynamic link to the original source, updating content if the source is changed. A useful feature for ongoing projects with materials frequently updated. Moving on, focus your attention on the list labeled As. This list provides you various format options suited for different needs. For instance, choosing formatted text preserves all original formatting, perfect for maintaining the look and feel of content from complex documents or creative work. On the other hand, opting for unformatted text strips away any original formatting, leaving you with plain text. This is great for seamless integration and consistency with your existing document formatting. If you're dealing with images, selecting Picture allows you to paste the content as an image directly into your document. Once you've made your selection, a simple click on the OK button completes the process. Your content will be pasted according to your chosen specifications, seamlessly aligning with the rest of your document. This process not only helps in maintaining a professional look, but also ensures your document remains clean and easy to read. And there you have it, the Paste Special tool in Microsoft Word, providing you with greater flexibility and precision in your document editing tasks.